Hello my dear friends, welcome to this video. Today I am extremely excited, as you can see. Whenever I have shared an opportunity here, the first question that I get is, do they provide visa sponsorship? And indeed, I understand why you ask that question, because coming to the UK on your own is extremely difficult. Not to mention, it is very expensive. But with a visa sponsorship, you do not need to prove finances. You don't need a lot of those other things. So today, I have decided to bring you all sorts of opportunities which have visa sponsorship. And guys, I'm not like those other people who say, if you want this opportunity, DM me and I give you the details, blah, blah, blah. No, on my channel, I give you all the details that you need to apply. All the information that you are going to need is going to be in this video. All you need to do is just to watch until the end. So let's get started. So guys, if you are really looking for a visa sponsored job in the UK, there are many things you can do to get it, and there are many ways to do that. But today I'm going to show you one of the most reliable ways to get a visa sponsorship to the UK. So what we are going to do right now is to head over to indeed.com and I show you all these opportunities. So what you are seeing on your screen right now, guys, is a website where you can actually find a UK job with visa sponsorship. If you are looking specifically for a job which has visa sponsorship, all you have to do is to come here and type visa sponsorship. Visa sponsorship available, and then you come here and put United Kingdom right there. Okay, there you have it. So at the very first, we have here care assistant. So you check here and see, please ensure you are available on weekends, blah blah blah. But the most important part to check is right here. You come here, as you can see right here, tier 2 sponsorship available for female drivers who live around Rochester area only after completion of probation. In other words, if you are a driver, you can apply, but this job is specifically in this area, so you must be willing to go to that area. And then they show you all the benefits of that job. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, data analyst. Okay, so when you come here, you have to check here under job details. So when you come, this is the pay, it is full-time. So let's confirm whether it actually has visa sponsorship. Let me zoom this so it is clear. So as you can see here, data analyst, visa sponsorship available. So the payment is 40,000 to 50,000 pounds per annum, and the job is based in London. The application link is here. If you're a data analyst, you can actually pause the video, copy this down, and then you apply. Or you can just come to this website and you click here, apply now. Then you fill in your details and you are in. Okay, now maybe I think, what if I'm not a data analyst? Let's check other jobs. So here you have management consultant, but I want to find jobs that apply to most of the people, right? Yes. Okay, let's go down here, midwife. Okay, if you're a midwife, visa sponsorship available. You can also apply and get this job. And then, okay, bubble tea store manager. Guys, store manager, many of you can do store management. So just come over here, you click on the title of the job, and then you come to job details. You confirm indeed if it has visa sponsorship. So as you can see clearly written here, UK visa sponsorship is available, guys. So this is the title of the job. This is the job description. Your responsibilities will be here, okay? And everything you need to know about the job is here. When you're convinced, you click apply right here. Let's look for others. Software developer is here. I don't want to go to that. Associate dentist, of course. Dental practice manager, dental therapist is here. But for dental therapists, dental technologists, hygienists, you guys need to have registered. And I have a previous video of how you can actually register with the GDC so you can apply for these jobs. If you didn't watch that video and you are a dental therapist or any other dental care professional, just click right here, watch that video, and then apply. Once your application is through, then you just come and apply for these kind of jobs. The jobs with visa sponsorships are actually available in plenty in the UK. You just have to know how to get them. And that's why you have me. I am here showing you, and you do not need to pay me anything to apply for these jobs. I'm not going to say come to my inbox so that I can give you a link or whatever others always say. I don't do that stuff. I give you all the thing here free of charge. All you need to do, go to the website, apply, and you're in. So let's move on to other jobs. But before we continue, if you are actually getting any value from this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And I beseech you, please be kind enough and share this video with all your friends and even your enemies, guys. You know, the Bible says you should love your enemies. Yes, that's what makes us children of God. Yes. Okay, guys, let's continue. Female care assistant, tier 2 applications. So many people want to come to the UK as care assistant, basically because it does not require any kind of prior experience. So if you are also interested, just come and click right here. And as you can see, guys, there are so many pages with so many jobs. So you can come to page 2. If you haven't found yours, you just come to page 2 and then you look for it. Teaching assistant, guys. Teachers, where are you? The jobs are here with visa sponsorship. Where are you? You have been commenting on my video saying, I'm a teacher, I would like to come, I would like to apply for dental nursing, apply for this and that. Here is a job in your very profession you trained in. So guys, take advantage and apply. And remember, these jobs actually have a deadline of application. So you need to act fast. So this is what you'll be getting, guys, as a teaching assistant. Okay? So you'll be getting 450 to 500 pounds a week. I don't know how much that is if you convert it to your local currency, but I can assure you it's good pay. That means 2,000 pounds a month, right? That's a lot of money. Let's go to others. Chefs. Chefs, guys. Where are the chefs? Even your jobs are also here. So there's totally no excuse of not applying. You guys can also apply with UK visa sponsorship. In fact, this one is written on boldly here. UK visa sponsorship available. These are the jobs, guys, you should be applying for. And I don't see any reason why not, right? And this is the amount you'll be paid per year. Guys, this is a lot of money. 35,000 pounds per year. You can divide that per month and see how much it is in monthly terms. And it is permanent and full-time. Okay, plumbers, right? Guys, plumbers, you may be saying, oh, maybe these are for high top. I don't know which professions, engineering, doctors, nurses. Plumbers, you are also here. And as you can see, in fact, this is not even for a full plumber. This is for a plumbing and heating engineer assistant visa sponsorship, right? So plumbers, what are you waiting for? Run and apply. As you can see, under the benefits, they still stress it here, UK visa sponsorship. Isn't this what you guys have been asking me for? You ask, I deliver. That's why I'm here. In fact, I wasn't intending to make videos like this. I had plans of making other videos, but since I am here for you guys, what you request is what I deliver. Please make sure that you have subscribed and turned on your notification, because if this is not an opportunity for you, yours is also coming. So just make sure your notification is turned on so that you don't miss. As I said earlier, these jobs have deadlines. Sometimes you see the opportunity when others have already applied and it has been closed. Yes, guys, UK opportunities don't open forever. Some open for very few hours and they are closed as soon as they get the numbers they need. they close the opportunity. And then you'll come and say, oh, I lied to you because I want views. I don't know what. No, I don't lie. But you delay, you miss. That's how it works. So make sure your notification bell is turned on. Let's continue. Senior community carer, sponsorship available. Guys, carers, senior carers, please apply. Your visa sponsorship is here and you get it. Data scientists, you are also here. Care home coordinators, okay? Care home coordinators. Now, care home coordinators would typically require somebody who has some care experience. It doesn't have to be a UK care experience. That's why they are talking about visa sponsorship. Yes. So even if you have done some caring back at home, you can apply for this kind of job and you can get it with a visa sponsorship that you guys have always asked for. Primary teaching assistant. Yes, primary teachers, where are you? Yes. You know, in some countries, primary teachers are not considered as important. But guys, here is an opportunity for you to apply and come to UK on visa sponsorship as a primary school teacher. In fact, this is even for assistant. But yes, you can apply if you're a primary school teacher. Apply. And this is how much you'll be getting per week. 430 to 440 pounds per week, guys. Me, I'm doing my part to show you where the opportunities are. The rest is up to you. And as always, you come down here and confirm if there is visa sponsorship. As you can see here, UK visa sponsorship. Yes. So let's continue. Butcher guys, yours is also here. Okay, cutting, trimming and preparing various types of meat to customer specifications. This is exactly what you have been doing at home. So if you're a butcher, apply. So let's also confirm if it comes with a visa sponsorship. So you just click here and look down here. And there you have it, visa sponsorship. Yes. Okay, we move on. Others are written here directly. Senior Linux System Administrator, visa sponsorship. So you can do all this up to all these pages. All these are jobs, guys. Cooks. Cooks are here. I don't know whether there's a difference between cook and chef, but yeah, here they're saying cook, full-time. Visa sponsorship is available. No more excuse, guys. Then we have here bar manager with UK visa sponsorship. Guys who love hanging out in the bar, what better job can you get with a visa sponsorship? That's the one that allows you to hang out in your favorite place and get paid. And let's see just how much you get paid for this. So you get £29,000 a year, guys. Just apply. So we could come down and look for them. Vets are here. Care home coordinators are here. Okay, with visa sponsorship available, guys. So if you have some care experience at home, like caring for a loved one or even in a hospital, you can actually land yourself a job as a care coordinator with visa sponsorship. And you come to the UK with your entire family. Okay, and then you have this sponsorship available, senior community carer. Care jobs are also here. Math teachers are here. Theater coordinators, okay, dentists, of course. So English teachers are also here. But here they're saying no UK visa sponsorship. So don't apply for those. Once you don't see your opportunity of interest, there's another way to find it. And I'm going to show you right now. But before we do that, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on that notification bell, because that's the way you will be the first to know of any opportunity that I'll be sharing here. Okay, let's move on. So I was just about to show you how you can search for your specific job. So what you do, you come here. Instead of putting this, you tap. Let's say we want to get bricklayer. Okay, bricklayer. Okay, I could even put with visa sponsorship. Let's see what comes up. In the UK still, and then we say search, find job. Okay, here we go. Let's find out if they have visa sponsorship, right? And there you have it, guys. UK visa sponsorship. What more do you need? Guys, in this video, I have given you all the information that you need to find visa sponsorship jobs in the UK. Let nobody tell you, come to my DM, pay this amount of money, blah, 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 so that I can give you this opportunity. If you want further guidance on how to go through this, not the opportunity itself, then you can actually book a session with me so you can go over it step by step. But as for the opportunity itself, it's here available free for you to apply. If you can do it yourself, go ahead and do it. You will surely succeed if you know what you are doing. It is not that difficult. Only if you're not sure and you want personalized guidance, should you book a session with me, and I'll be able to guide you step by step on the application process until you have completely applied. Other than that, you do not need to pay anybody to give you this kind of opportunities. You can surely get it yourself. That, I think we have come to the end of this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.